My country people them, una story master, original one from Berlin. It is true salute for una. So today, we're going to talk about those fine gondere them. Those fine girls them with they there for Africa. They do wait with their push for our boyfriend. You can marry them. You don't understand? So Tori Master, it go tell una how this thing they happen. So that maybe you feel get sense, you know how they carry on with this thing. So that you know go fall for gutter. Okay? So, first thing, all these boys they don't fall for bush. They don't travel abroad, more talk so. Then they come back. Most they come back now for December. Now know what did happen that time now. That time they only come fire, flex, chop money, spend the money. Then they go catch one girl where you sweet, they'll say, baby, you are very sweet. I really want you to be my wife, baby, sincerely, I really wish to marry you. So they will tell you sweet talk them. Tell you fine talk them. That time when they chop soya, when they chop fish for limbe, they will tell on a fine story. But even tell you say one marry you. My picking them, my sister them. If una see that kind of people then, una must think twice. Two kind bushfall the day. The one way come, better come, fine come, now understand. And the one way come for back door. If you get bushfaller where you come for back door, you get for think twice. Because before you put one stamp for them, it will take 3 to 5 years. And the truth that he go call you for food, he promise you, oh baby, I love you. He go even tell you, say, he want send money, make they go do your knock door. No green. Knock door, now for block your future. Now for block your future. No green knock door. If some boy, he love you, where you dey Africa, you dey Europe, I think say, he dey for better position, for take care for you. Make he invest in you. Make it sow a seed in you. Make you a primary investment so that you go get security, assurance. If you know be choma, if you be choma, you need assurance. Because most of the guys, even as they come back for Africa, they come back now in packaging. Some of those guys, chichi, that money, they don't gather that money there for 3-4 years. They go can't chop her off for one time with you. They come back way no day. He go to call you, say, baby, don't tell you, say, go to come next year or come next year. You say, yeah, baby, you wait. Stop waiting in darkness. 1 year, 2 years, you never invest nothing for your life. You do wait. The doors are open there. Why you not think say you too if you hustle? If you hustle, you make a big time. You come, you marry too. You married it too. Yeah. So think about it. It's not about waiting in darkness. Those boys then they keep women. These boys them bushful, they keep women there for Cameroon. They even put wash night for their back. Meanwhile, they day here, they day for inside city. They do wonders. They sleep with Kenyan, Cameroon, Germans, Polish. They sleep with all kind of women there. You did it. You don't tie your food. You tight. You waiting. Congeal they can't kill you. If they flex, if they remove all your own congeal. You do wait. You want ways to make grass grow for your teeth or make grass grow for your food. Youngers, will not give a think. If some boy leave you, we not sow seed for you. He not invest in you. As he go, he start hustle. You too, you start hustle. Now 50-50. Because in the hustle, not for you, now first for your family. Then you come later. So if you fail, that means you don't fail. So be wise. Better, you start invest for your life. Even if at all it fail, at least maybe sometimes the investment will put on for you, if it can rescue you. That is life. It must be 50-50. Not be say you just wait. Make some money, it can't make millions, can't change your life. You just wait, you just did it. No. If you want to go school, make it help you, send you for school than for Shillong for house. Make it pay you school, you go learn a trade, you go a professional school. Make it set you up a business you keep doing for assurance, other than just waiting in darkness, my sister. You know, I go tell you because I live in both continents. I don't live for one man country for some time. I live for Africa too for some time. And I know how it works. People that they come here, they know they tell you not true. Somebody go there, go the suffer, and not even get place for sleep, he no go tell you. If they here, if they manage for some white man mommy a house, he no go tell you. Now if you wash pan for the house, do all things, he no go tell you. If they here, they suffer. He not even knows you sometimes. If he tell you sometimes, if he form sense, you happy because of love. Because they say love can do anything. So the things say that only them way they bush, they will change your life. No. You will in Africa, if you change their life. So when a kid look at that way, when I not just sit down, when I wait for somebody, say bush for light, they come. No. My children, don't wait. If you see an opportunity, grab it and carry on with your life. Because if you fail, now you fail. If you fail, now your family fail. Not you fail, you be ensure you not even be recognized. So I just can't tell and say if you wait for some boy, make it come marry you. If the boy is serious, first thing, he go invest for your life. He go sow a seed for your life. You cannot reap where you do not sow. They say, farmer, you plant before you harvest. So if he tells you you wait, they make it plant something in your life, you go wait. So that if you wait, you know say you get security. Other than just waiting till eternity. So now to remaster, he say make it come put some more sense for on head. Because plenty small kingdom go there them. They don't wait to take monopoles, we hold them. I know one this year, when I see I'm so I they cry. I see I'm so some picking that cry. Me I be papa picking, you know. When I see I'm so I they cry. I don't want that so make it happen for my picking. I they tell when I the true talk. If some boy say one married you, then you make it do something. Make it not go pay you knock door. You don't need knock door. Make it do action. When you do action, success go come. But if you not do action, put your eye outside the look on. Because the way they enjoy life, they enjoy. So make una get sense. Tori master will come all time. We can't tell una. Try for help una, for guide una. Make them stop for the camp fool una. They go bring 2,000 or can't chop up with una. Finish, destroy una, give una belle, leave una. Come here, you call, you say you do belle. He say you crazy for your head. If he tell you say you want picking, so be wise. I say come each say it's your time to use it. You too use your head. You too use it. If he bring the money, wait it. Money now for chopper, you chop the money. If he didn't make any fake promise, just put out your mind, say you don't already know this kind of one. To remember, don't tell you. So make una be wise, make una be clever, make una be sharp, make una open una eye. Now to remember, tell una open your eye, not for chumbi, make them clear you, not leave some guy man, make you come get chop your chop, chop go. They say if you want to continue the chop, make it can they plan, they may buy chop can put up for her so they go to chop every day. This one, now number one Tori master, where they tell una just true Tori, and not they tell una lie Tori. So make una keep on they follow Tori master, Grand Casserole. Now not forget, now follow me for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and wanna subscribe for my YouTube channel so that Tori man will keep bring plenty news, plenty good information for give una, for guide una, for grow the better picking them. Thank una and make una enjoy una the body fine. Cafe.